Fresh tensions have erupted within the already fractured Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC). Its acting president, Hoshpi Ncube, clashed with Singso Chabangu over leadership claims, intensifying the party's internal crisis. Zamina mashoko atina kuti chabvunduka vakomana vaya vatengesi vochibvundurana manje vochitokonyana manje. Zamina mashoko mudanyuka panapa nobva subscribe like turn the bell kuti ipinde panapa mzimba wenyara nchiti. Ncube, who rotates the presidency with Tendai Biti, publicly dismissed Chabangu, describing him as an ordinary party member with no authority to influence the party's direction. Speaking through party spokesperson Elias Madzimure, the Ncube faction declared Chabangu's claims illegitimate. The moment there are talks between Chabangu and Ncube, we would be implying he is a, said Madzimure, political party leader, but he is claiming to be the Secretary General of the party and he cannot be the leader of the party at the same time. Chabangu rose to prominence in the Citizen Coalition for Change early this year after claiming to be the party interim secretary. Allegedly backed by Ncube and Biti, Chabangu spearheaded a campaign that sowed discord and frustration for Citizen Coalition for Change founder Nelson Chamisa. Using the self-imposed position, Chabangu fired several Citizen Coalition for Change lawmakers aligned with the Chamisa. Domashoko anokuda vana vachiona kuti aiwa panapa tension aiwa inoburwa aiwa mu-Citizen Coalition for Change aiwa ina Hoshpi Ncube zvatoona kuti havachawirirana Singso Chabangu vachimoti aiwa ya just an ordinary member vanouya vachimufaya. Tiona kuti mapresident aya anoriteta sezvamunoziva aiwa havachanakiri naSingso Chabangu. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Video comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.